Okay, so for this question, given is find the equation of parabola which is symmetric about the x-axis. Okay, and vertex at origin. Okay, so this is 0, 0 and passes through the points of 8, 4. Okay, so you may try to sketch the shape of the parabola. So using the information given is symmetric about the x-axis, right? Okay, so when it is symmetric about the x-axis, so your parabola should be in this kind of shape. Okay, either this one or this one. Okay, if given is symmetry about the y-axis, so this will be the shape of your parabola. Okay, at the y-axis, that guys. But it depends on the second information. Okay, so origin, so this should be the vertex and pass it through the points of 8, 4. Okay, so here we can identify whether it is open to the right or to the left, because when it passes through 8, okay, so let's say this is 8 and somewhere 4 here. Okay, so we can say that this is the coordinate of 8, 4. So this will be the shape of the parabola. So with that, now we can identify the basic equation or the general form of this parabola should be in form of y square, right? This is y minus k square equals to 4p and then x minus h. Okay, this shape of the parabola. Okay, so with the okay, you know that this represent the coordinates of the vertex. Okay, we know that vertex now is 0 and 0. Okay, so we don't have the value of this p, but we can find the given the p value because you are given one coordinates. 8, 4 is given. So since 8, 4 is given, so 4 is y, so 4 minus 0 square, and then 4p, and x is 8, 8 minus 0. Okay, so we can solve for this. 4 square, then you will get 16. Then this is 4p for 32p. Right. Okay, so with that, now we can get the p value is 16 over 32. Or this can be simplified, you will get 1 over 2. Okay. Once you get that values, now we can replace back in the original standard form of equation of parabola. So y minus 0 square. For the p value is 1 over 2. And then x minus 0. Okay, so here y minus 0, obviously you will get y square, and 4 over 2, then you will get 2x. So this will be the final answer for the equations of the parabola.